What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something really cool to test out and unbox. We've got a brand new set of 18650 rechargeable lithium ion batteries along with a really cool new charger. Charged lithium ion, nickel metal hydride, and nickel zinc battery. Hey, company is Gold. Zoom out a little bit. 12,600 milliwatt hours. It converts to about 4,300 milliamps. There's a conversion that you can use to convert that. 3.6 volts. There's 4 batteries. Let's check the charger out of the box. Pretty cool charger. It's got 4 charging slots, which is cool because I got 4 batteries. Thanks to Gold and the team for sending these out for me to test. They also have 2160 batteries also. 21650, I believe. They have a website. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out their website. They got some good deals, really quality batteries. Charger, powered by USB. So let's go ahead and get that powered up. Okay, it's got a mode button. You can also control the current. It's got 3 different current settings. I think it's 500 milliamps is the lowest, and you can go up to 2,000 milliamps as far as charging speed. Let's get one battery in. Okay, you can see it's charging it already. It automatically recognizes the battery chemistry. And that's charging. Comes with a nice instruction manual. And one other real cool feature about this battery charger is let you know the internal resistance of the battery, so you know. See the IR right there. So it's letting me know the internal resistance, how healthy the battery is. Like I said, it's charging at 500 milliamps. I can go up to 1,000. It's blinking. Or you can go to 2,000 milliamps as far as the charging current. We'll slow it back down to the default setting. Let's go ahead and put all 4 batteries in real quick. Okay, sorry about that. We're back, guys. So I got 3 batteries charging right now. Didn't put the 4th one in yet. There's a lot of fake 18650 batteries floating around on the internet. So I'm gonna teach you one way to spot a fake. You can easily tell by the weight. So we're gonna weigh one real quick. Actually, we're gonna weigh a few of them. Got it in grams. Okay, a real battery is gonna weigh at least 30 something grams. Okay, let's weigh that. You can see 49 grams. That's a Gold battery. This is Samsung, I believe. Yep, Samsung. Another 18650 battery. I don't know if you can see that. It's 43 grams. So that's a real battery. Fake 18650s, you'll usually weigh like 20 something grams. This is an LG battery. These are all grade A cells. I took this out of a laptop. See, that weighs 45 grams. LG, Samsung, and Gold. So those are all real batteries. You can tell by the weight. There are a lot of fakes going on online. Actually, the Gold it's heavier than these LG and Samsung, so you can tell it's real quality made. And let's go ahead and put the 4th one in and charge it. So this is a Gold video. I just wanted to show you guys a quick way to spot fakes. You can weigh them. Okay, the 4th battery is charging, no problem. They're all charging at 500 milliamps. Like I said, the capacity is 4,300 milliamps for these batteries. It says 12,600 milliwatt hours, but you can convert that to milliamps if you need to. It says really awesome battery charger and batteries. So if you guys need some rechargeable battery options, I really give Gold a try if you're thinking about it. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I'll leave some links in the description, some affiliate links. Maybe you guys can get some Black Friday discounts or something. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Stay safe. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share if you want more videos. Like I said, it's a car channel, but I do all kinds of unboxings and reviews. May not be car related, might be solar, batteries, who knows? Might be home improvement, auto repair, you never know. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for rocking. Ricky Bobby's out. If you ain't first, you last.